Okay, guys, welcome back to our channel, and we are Last Minute Equalizer. And today we have gathered here to do a very, it's a very debatable and interesting video, and it's going to cause a lot of havoc in the comments. This is going to be our Premier League predictions for the 2021-22 season.
Yeah.
So we're just going to rank.
Yeah, we're going to rank our teams, and I think we'll just do it collectively and discuss it and then just do it, because if we do it individually, then it's going to be very,
You can see this is like a collective.
Yeah, it's a collective opinion. So I'll just share my screen.
Let's just begin then.
Okay, so first we're going to go from the bottom to the top. Okay. So who do you think?
So on 20th, I think personally for me, I think it will be Brentford.
Yeah, same.
Why not Norwich?
I think experience-wise, just don't have the experience yet, because they नई team है और playoffs में भी they just have managed to obviously playoffs जीत के आए हैं. Even obviously on paper you can't really judge, because Sheffield United shocked everybody, but I don't think Brentford will shock करेंगे. I think Tony is like the only. Not good. Obviously, they all are good players, but a one player which will make a difference.
I think Tony is the one we should all watch out for and have in our FPLs. Like there are a lot of expectations from that guy. So let's put Brentford at 20th, and let's see. I mean, we hope for the best for them, but this is our 19th. Who will be relegating?
I think Norwich.
Norwich, yeah.
Norwich. Yeah,
I mean,
I think.
But क्या हम ऐसे तो नहीं कर रहे जो promote हो रहे वही relegate हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि
No, but yeah, I saw the depth quality also in Norwich. Like, I think they didn't have a better team, but I think they have a kind of a similar team like the last time they won the Premier League. Actually, they've lost Buendia.
They saw Buendia also.
They might lose Cantwell also.
Yeah,
they lost Buendia. Might lose Cantwell also. So I'm thinking, I don't think they'll have the quality. So I mean, Kupuki alone. I mean, he had one good month in that season.
Yeah.
And after he didn't really do much. So I just think that they're just losing their main players. That's going to affect. That's why I think they're going to be 19.
Yeah. So let's just put Norwich at 19th. Sorry, Norwich. 18th, the third
18th, I think.
I think this is the top.
Burnley हो सकती है.
Burnley, Southampton also, Watford maybe.
Southampton also.
I think Watford.
I think Southampton 17th, 16th है. I think Watford भी survive कर लेगी. I think मतलब close होगा but survive कर लेगी.
Wolves has quality.
Wolves have a decent team. Wolves नहीं जाएगी. I think it's between Burnley, Southampton and Watford for me.
Yeah.
Brighton also.
No, Brighton is
तो अच्छी खेलती है भाई Brighton.
Brighton अच्छी खेलती है.
Last season also there were some games कि वो 2-1 जीत गए.
Like the game against us only when we could have lost. United.
Let's just go with the easy choice and not waste our time with the relegation ones. I think
Burnley.
Burnley is still strong. They have Wood. They have like a good defense. They play 5 at the back.
Although rumors are coming that justified by Tarkowski and everything. I mean, we just put in the fact that the transfer window is not going to be ended like before this video. So there's some transfers might happen which might affect this season. So this is like on the 9th of August. So we have to take that into consideration as well. For me, it's Watford. I think I put Watford. I think Watford.
As much as I want Watford to be there just to watch the cycling GK.
Yeah, to watch the cycling GK. Shout out Ben Foster.
Hello, Ben Foster. We're very sorry. Watford is 18th for us.
Pushed to one vote, unfortunately. And yeah, I think Watford.
17th.
I mean, they have some good players. Yeah, they have Ismail Assar, they have Ken Sema. They have experience also. Foster, Deeney, Cleverly. I mean, but I think it will be close. This will be very close. I think we'll go to the last
18th position will be close. 17th, I think, will be Burnley.
I think Burnley. I think 17th is Burnley.
Burnley. 16th I think Southampton. Yeah.
Yeah, and then
16th I think Newcastle or Southampton.
No. I think Southampton before then. Na? Southampton. Like we were discussing all these. So I think Burnley again. Like both of them had really like poor ends to the season. I think Burnley the time might be running out. Like they playing the same football. Worked. Then it became even lower. Last year they came like 17th. And I just think that again they're not gonna have a very good season. Because obviously they don't spend money and they do the same type of football. I think people are starting to figure the Burnley way out.
Yeah.
And grind out budget wins.
15th I think.
Let me just. Yeah.
Let's see who all there.
Bro, 15th I honestly think Newcastle,
same. I don't know. I have a feeling.
Not Crystal Palace. I think Crystal Palace.
No, bro, Crystal Palace.
Oh no, bro. Crystal Palace.
I like Crystal.
मतलब उनका भी they start well. उसके बाद कुछ हो जाता है.
But yeah, Crystal Palace वो ही यार.
They have a new manager though. Crystal Palace has.
But the matches shit है. He doesn't have a very good record. I don't trust him too well. I just think he won't have a really good season.
Maybe Crystal Palace or Newcastle.
You know, but then also some individual players shine on some level in some game, some particular game, और उससे वो थोड़े बच जाते हैं.
It's like that यार कि अगर Zaha ऐसे. So what I was saying was that कि Crystal Palace का ये है कि they only have two players. Like they have Eze and they have Zaha. Those were basically the main players. And I think Eze is injured at the start, and Zaha again is just one. He just carries them every season.
Even Crystal Palace doesn't have a good defense. Like even Newcastle doesn't. But it's either one of those, yeah.
I mean, I think you can put them either way for me.
I think put Newcastle below.
Let's give Crystal Palace the benefit. 14th, then Crystal Palace.
Yeah, I guess Crystal Palace.
Yeah. No, Crystal Palace below Brighton or above. It should be.
Yeah, man. Brighton बहुत अच्छी है यार. And they have some good players. 13 अब कौन बचे कौन है?
नीचे जा.
West Ham, Wolves भी तो है.
I think it's between Wolves and Brighton. You know why I think Wolves might not do well? Because I think Neto and Podence both are injured right now. And I think मेरे को लग रहा है कि
Jimenez तो है ना? Jimenez है.
But he won't be like the same guy he was before injury. ना मतलब obviously he will be little bit.
There's always a doubt after injury.
हाँ वो भी ऐसी इंजरी की मतलब he almost skull fracture is a big injury.
Wolves या Brighton में से एक होगी.
मतलब I don't know.
Brighton below I think.
For me पहले Wolves then Brighton.
मेरे को भी पहले Wolves ही लगता है क्योंकि Wolves का भी अभी नया मैनेजर आया है. हाँ तो 13th पे we have put Wolves, 12th पे we have 12th पे we're putting Brighton or Everton.
No, Brighton.
I think Brighton.
Okay.
Everton still have like good players, good quality, Deeney and all. मतलब Richarlison भी है.
11th पे.
Richarlison, Calvert-Lewin, Deeney, James.
यार तुम्हें लगता है वेस्ट हैम उतना अच्छा करेगी? नहीं. मेरे हिसाब से लिंगार्ड इन फॉर्म था, चल गया था. अब कर पाएंगे.
लिंगार्ड यार, but even before लिंगार्ड वो अच्छा कर रहे थे. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनकी
तब भी
उनका जो bro I saw their highlights जिसमें Benrahma like destroyed. He was playing Cam and he destroyed in the game. It was against I don't know what team, but उसमें क्या थे? Atlanta के against the match and bro, he played so well. Good.
It's between West Ham and Everton, but where Everton में Rafa Benitez है. I don't think Rafa Benitez is that good of a manager anymore. Like he used to be really good, but I think he's gone to China also, and even with Newcastle he didn't perform that well. I mean, Steve Bruce got the same result as he did. So I just don't think.
Same.
That's why Everton I'll put before.
This is 11th now.
So yeah, Everton and then we put West Ham.
Everton
and then we'll put West Ham.
Oh, do we put Leeds before West Ham? Wait. I think.
नहीं. Leeds will do good, भाई.
But they haven't signed anybody only. So if West Ham also haven't signed anybody major.
West Ham has signed Benrahma. This one has signed Junior Firpo. That's it. That's the only two transfers.
And the goalkeeper na Areola is also West Ham. Already at
अच्छा है Areola वैसे.
कोई भी कर लो West Ham या Leeds में से कोई एक होगी यार.
मतलब
I think भाई मेरे को Leeds according to last season मेरे को Leeds को ही देना. मतलब पोजीशन वाइज नहीं आए, पर वो जिस टाइप का खेलते हैं भाई, इट्स स्कैरी भाई, फट जाती है उनको देख के।
ठीक है, then fine, you can put West Ham then Leeds.
West Ham 10th, 9th.
लीड्स
Now all these teams are nice, bro. Like all of them are so.
I think then Leeds.
Then Leeds.
मैं होता मैं तो आर्सेनल देता, मैं तो आर्सेनल देता।
No, for me I think Arsenal का I know उनका फॉर्म बहुत खराब है, पर I think वो बहुत अच्छा करेगी इस सीजन। मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों लग रहा है।
मेरे को तो भाई मेरे को 8
अभी मेरा 8, you know who's going to be? I think Tottenham will be.
Yeah.
You know why? Because I think Kane is going to leave this. Kane is going to leave, and they are going to struggle. Even if they buy apparently Lautaro Martinez, is then Kane is so good here. He's not going to be able to replace Kane. And plus, Lautaro Martinez is a person who is like he will play with Kane.
Yeah, he's a CF. He can play behind Kane, like a CF.
It's like he's going to play with Son, I guess. But I guess like he's not similar से player.
पर तब भी bro, Kane
Let's say like Kane, you can't replace Kane के goals
कर रहा है, खत्म फिनिश कर रहा है, वो वैसी क्वालिटी नहीं आई। और क्या पता स्टार्टिंग में अगर मार्टिनेज आए भी तो स्ट्रगल करे पीएल में। वो है
7th.
I think Tottenham is, yeah.
No, 8th is
7th. Yeah, 8th Tottenham.
7th. Aston Villa.
Aston हो सकता
I think Villa. I think we can put Villa. Or we want to put Arsenal.
Arsenal और Villa में से।
सच में भाई Arsenal.
I think Villa will get Europa this
Villa
season.
की तब भी भाई strong team है भाई।
Yeah, but Villa भाई, you should not overrate them also. मतलब I know उनकी score बहुत अच्छी team है, but जरूरी नहीं है कि चल जाए। और हमें 7th भी बहुत ऊपर है शायद, 7th 8th, but वो ये कि यार एवर्टन से तो बेटर ही करेंगे यार। They did well last year also.
मैं Aston Villa को 7th रख रहा हूँ, ठीक है। 6th Arsenal.
It's realistic also. It's या तो ये होगा या फिर एवर्टन इसके ऊपर आएगी, यही होगा।
6th Arsenal.
I mean, let's just put Arsenal there. I think we can come back to the date. Let's go 6th Arsenal and 5th Leicester.
5th Leicester.
क्या हो गया?
अरे कुछ नहीं होता, we can change it.
ये Brighton है ना?
Brighton.
हाँ.
And 5th.
अब कर
5th
Leicester.
Now top.
I mean realistically Leicester. पर अगर अच्छा स्टार्ट किया जैसे लास्ट 2 सीजन से कर रहे हैं और फिर बॉटल कर दिया तो ये हो सकता है।
अबे they won't do it, bro. Like look at the top.
They won't have last year.
Look at the top four: Chelsea, Liverpool, City, United. भाई.
And Leicester ना I think they're going to be behind these 4 भाई, क्योंकि अब चारों ने तो maybe not Liverpool but बाकी टीम ने तो बहुत मतलब काफी बड़े साइनिंग्स किए हैं। And Liverpool we know that if they are fit they can be a very good team. So I don't think Leicester will do like they will be.
इन चारों में से तुम्हें 4th कौन लगता है?
अब 4th to 1 फर्स्ट तुम अपना बताओ।
फर्स्ट नहीं 4th से चल रहे हैं।
4th to first। हाँ वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ। तू पहले अपने सारे 4th to first बता। तू अपने पहले सारे 4th to first बता सकते हैं।
Liverpool, Chelsea, City, United.
Same.
Backing United?
Same.
I'm backing.
Same.
Yeah, I can't back it. I can't. I don't want.
I have to be biased. You have to be optimistic.
Why
can't I be
optimistic?
मेरा बहुत दिल टूटा है भाई। मेरा बहुत दिल टूटा है।
But like, I have to back my boys.
My heart has been broken too much for this. I can't back United. I think City.
I know we didn't sign a defensive midfielder. अगर वो मैक्सफ्रेड ना खिलाए और पॉग्बा या वैंडरबिक और एक और वो खिलाए मिडफील्ड विद ब्रूनो, भाई चांस है। और बस जोन सी भी प्रेयर्स करनी है, सारी प्रेयर्स करो और होगा भाई, होगा। मैं बता रहा हूँ।
I don't know यार, I can't. ठीक है भाई।
4th तो बता दो। 4th
Liverpool final.
I think Liverpool का ना again they haven't spent उनका वो ये if someone important gets injured they are screwed again.
4th Liverpool. Third I think Chelsea.
But I think Chelsea. I think for me it's that even though last year उनकी defense अच्छी थी, this year I'm sure Tuchel खेलेगा for the back because he has to do well in the league ना, उसको attack करना है। पर उनके जो defensive लोग हैं मतलब क्रिस्टियनसन, रुडिगर, थियागो सिल्वा थोड़ा old हो गया है but वही ना उसकी decline शुरू हो जाएगी। So I don't think these 3-4 defenders, Aspilicueta also centre back, he can play there. I don't think these like it's not like a winning partnership.
It's not a winning defense basically.
No one can make a winning defense out of these 4. Like if you play 5 at the back, then they work well. But I think 4 at the back, but they won't work well.
But 5 at the back, they don't score that much.
And I think Tuchel will play 4 at the back this season. That's why I'm putting Chelsea. That the defense might cost them.
Second,
do you guys think Lukaku will work?
हाँ.
I think he will work.
He will work.
Chelsea का वही हो रहा था last season की Werner was getting all those chances. They should they were making chances, but they were getting it to Werner.
And he couldn't finish. And if they have a finisher like Lukaku, who bags the goal every, मतलब सारी bottom corner जाते हैं उस बंदे के.
हाँ, वही है. Chelsea का I think always has.
पर भाई ऐसे तो United के लिए हमने भी कहा था जब United आया.
भाई but वो चला था यार, वो हमारे creator नहीं था भाई United में तब कोई.
correct. We didn't have a out and out creator. Pogba अकेले करता था सब कुछ भाई.
हाँ, वही भाई creator ही नहीं था. तब इनके पास इतने सारे creator है. Mount है भाई, Jorginho है, तुम्हारा ये Werner left आ जाएगा इस सीजन, Ziyech आ जाएगा.
मतलब I think they will be able to score goals at the back. I know last season they were everything about the defense, but I think this season the opposite will happen. I just have a feeling that's why I put Chelsea third.
Second.
City.
For me it's United, but ठीक है.
हार्ड में जाए भाई City.
Putting City.
हार्ड में जाए.
United.
हार्ड में जाए City.
Do hell with it.
Okay then. For the win. Come on man.
भाई मैं पहले ही बोल रहा हूँ, disclaimer डाल दियो सत्यम. Disclaimer डाल दियो. This video is fully biased. सारे तीनों United supporter है, fully biased है. कोई problem है unsubscribe कर दो, वैसे ही subscribe
पागल है,
पर ये biased video है.
unsubscribe नहीं होगा.
Unsubscribe नहीं करना है. नहीं अब ठीक है. मैं तो लिख दूंगा कमेंट्री की भाई I wanted United. I put United second.
इसलिए कर रहे कि ये unsubscribe कर दे हमारे को. हट.
Biased है पर video.
Put abuse us. It's fine. Do not subscribe.
Just become our haters.
Yes.
देखो भाई फिर हमारी फाइनल है. दिस टॉप 4 is United, City, Chelsea, Liverpool. Then Leicester.
6, 7, 8, 9. Do you want to change this, or do you think Aston Villa will do that well?
Bro, Aston Villa can do 7th position, bro. Or maybe 8th they can do.
But then Tottenham also, I don't think. But then Leeds also. Let's just leave it. Okay.
हाँ, let's just.
अबे
Villa
थोड़ा change होगा तो देखेंगे ना, फिर we'll review it.
West Ham, Everton, Brighton, Wolves, Crystal Palace, Newcastle, Southampton, Burnley, Watford, Norwich, and Brentford.
So basically we're relegating the teams who got promoted, right?
Yeah.
यही है हमारा.
I mean, obviously we
टाटा बाय बाय कर दो.
They're going to have to go भैया on paper, and on paper none of them are really.
I mean, if these clubs prove us wrong, I'll be really happy. क्योंकि भाई फिर तो मजा ही आएगा.
But it doesn't look like it.
You know what I want? I want हमने 17, 16, 15 डाली, ये तीनों relegate हो जाए और 3
नहीं यार Newcastle, you never know. You never know.
अब जो भी है. Okay guys, I think I'll stop the share now and we'll come back over here. And that was our prediction.
Yes.
And guys, you might have seen it on our channel. I mean on our Instagram that we've made our FPL. So do join our FPL, and I'll just repeat.
The code is in the description, and we'll just.
I think it's IGFC33.
Yeah.
I think we'll put the link in the description for the joining.
Yeah.
On that, and you
can IGFC33, and yeah, that's it. So.
And the winner will get a surprise. So just stick till the end. It's like 38 weeks. So.
Everyone enjoys an FPL.
I mean, just join. It's free to join, and you might win something. Why not?
Why not?
And even if you join, there's obviously a fun element, because then I'll be able to see what you guys are making, the squad you guys are making.
Because all 3 of us will also be in the league.
And we're doing this individually. Okay, we're not doing one together. Elenika squad. We're doing Sarthak, Kevin, Akul.
So you can expose us. For
no one's that stupid, Satyam.
Maybe they think. चलो ठीक है फिर.
So that's it guys. Please subscribe to our channel. YouTube पे तो कुछ दिख ही नहीं रही एक्टिविटी. Instagram पे फॉलो मारो और
भाई Instagram पे तो हमें
Spotify पे मेरे को कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है, तो थोड़ा Spotify पे जाके भी देखो.
Don't worry guys, I hope we've been a little inconsistent, but वो ये यार देखो कुछ थोड़ी ज़्यादा
फुटबॉल का off season है. Season खोलो.
अभी आ रही है काफी बहुत a lot of videos are coming. There's a lot of interesting creators.
Lot of videos, lot of reels, lot of posts, lot of stories, lot of collabs सब आएगा.
Every alternate day guys, that's what we're doing, and we're doing memes also now.
So just that's how Sarthak said. Like, subscribe, do everything. You're going to enjoy it. Why don't you do it anyways?
LME
Alright.
LME
फिर से उल्टा करता है भाई, मैं कितनी बार बोला है तुझे।